Nothing is permanent in life, so the reason to wake up every morning, I think, is a commitment to life, to live to the fullest. I think we should be thankful to wake up. Precision is an outcome of preparation, of an outcome of training. To get consistently precise in something, you need to compete with yourself every day. And in every competition, I'm my competitor, so I'm my biggest enemy. Hi, I'm David Hartwig, head chef of one Michelin Star restaurant, IGNIV Bangkok. So I would differentiate passion and craftsmanship. I think you can be passionate about something. If you just know how to do something but you don't want to do it and you don't care how to do it, you're not going to do it well. So you need both to play together. You need the craftsmanship, so the basic knowledge, and then you need the passion for it. So the AMG values I can relate to anyway with my own philosophy. You need craftsmanship and passion, and then you need a team who can execute that on the highest level. So teamwork is extremely important. It starts basically with the supplier. The supplier needs to produce an incredible product, and we handle it correctly with respect and with the passion, love and knowledge that we put into it. And then in terms of preparing it, you have to make sure the temperature is right, the timing is right, and then when it comes to finishing a dish, it all has to be to precision and to perfection. And in that sense, you need to be able to trust the person next to you, and the person next to you needs to trust you. That's why it's very important to have the highest standards of yourself. Only that way you can have the highest standards of the person next to you. One of my former chefs had this quote always to say, do the right thing when no one is watching. It makes a lot of sense to me, and I took that very serious. When you're at home and you eat chips at 12 at midnight, it's not the right thing to do, and you know that. And it's the same thing at work. I think everything you do, you need to do the right thing, and you know what is the right thing. If everyone would do that, life would be perfect. I think the worst thing in life is regrets, because that will haunt you the rest of your life. So I think to do whatever you like to do and love to do is the only way to live your life.